to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Avatar at the bottom. Here, if you have default clothes on, click on Marketplace at the top. Then, click on Avatars. See if you have any avatars and you can change into them. Or you can click on Body and change it to something different than default. Go to Clothing. Now here, you'll find different options for clothes. Simply select the one you prefer, which is not default. In that way, you can select pants, which is not default, accessories if you want, and another thing which you can do is simply go to accessories and add accessories to make it more different. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.